Hi everyone, Tashdileg, welcome back to KC Himalaya channel. My name is Acharya Chodak. I hope you guys doing well. Once again, I'm back after a long gap. This time, so I was thinking why not we do something a little bit different than last time. Now since I'm a VFX artist, I would love to work videos that I'm passionate and same time it's something fun to do, such as working on a green screens, CGI stuffs, tracking, and all these fun things. Remaking the music videos for my all-time favorite songs. However, that type of project is very time-consuming and it needs a lot of, dedication and, hard work. So since it's taking a long time, so I was thinking it is a good idea to bring this sort of videos in between while I'm working for a bigger project and more interesting project that is going to come in this channel in future. So alright guys, today we are going to watch a wonderful music video that was released back in 2020 by talented artist Wangdon Tso. Today's versatile and talented artist, it is worth knowing about her in little more. Alright guys, her name is Wangdon Tso. She was born in Amdo, Repgong. Her birthday falls on June 27. Constellation, Cancer. She likes acting, writing, and of course singing. Graduated from Bachelor of Fine Arts, Beijing Sport University. In 2004, she went to Beijing International Dance and Arts School. 2008, she won the second place in the modern dance in Yatai Regional Modern Dance and Latin Dance Championship. She also won the first place in a professional 18-year-old group in IDSA World Dance Sports Association in China. She has also won the first place in the International Standard Dance Asian Championship. She has more than 10 years of dancing skills. At the age 19, she debuted her first-time acting career, signing with the Emmy Working Production, won a number of awards. At the same time, she was featured in multiple TV channels and radio stations. Since then, she has developed her interest in acting career. In 2014, Wangdon Tso got auditioned and played as lead female role or supporting role in the multiple TV series such as Qinghai Qingtan, Sangye Doma, Tibet Sky, White Yak, Ngai Nyingduk, and couple more. In 2016, she released her first major Tibetan language music video called Chain. Which was most popular at the time. Since then, she released a number of hit songs in both Tibetan and Chinese language. Alright guys, that was a brief introduction. Now let's jump right into the music video. If you want to sing along, I have prepared lyrical pronunciation for you.
拉是木有哎，空拉的木有哎，等等我就跟到谁远离，凌晨中午就干点心，就希望你就跟着自然，阿蒙拉木，你有龙绿，有情拉木，你有龙绿，阿蒙拉木，你有龙绿，有情拉木，你有龙绿。给这他妈死的夜，想给他妈死的夜，当然微笑死的夜，天台被月亮遮掩。哦，咖喱，去吃咖喱，起来打黑，起来打黑，打黑的梦。哦，咖喱，去吃咖喱，起来醉人，起来醉人，那没醉人秀。
That was a wonderful song. I truly enjoyed it. Now let's analyze the song a little bit. In a nutshell, this music video shows how people in Tibet, the way they receive guests with humble and hospitality. While you're in their home, they will offer their warm traditional tsampa and butter tea with their pure heart. They have prayers and good wishes for you in their every single action. While you're living, they will send you with their love and kindness and memory full of joy. Also in this music video, they portrait beautiful perspective from both a modern and a traditional way of living in Tibet. Alright guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you do so, please consider subscribe my channel. I have some more videos like this coming up. Support my journey. Sometime don't forget to hit that like button because that really helps. And I also have an Instagram account. And yeah, I'm going to leave some more links and information in the description below, so don't forget to check that out and show me some love, hope, peace, and sign out.